Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the euro dollar, I still think it's a wave A over here. I still think this is three waves down for an A, B, C, a B, and I still think this is going to end up stretching out probably into a big uptrend over the course of probably a few years, really, for an expanding flat wave C. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still calling this over here wave 1. I think this is a big expanding flat wave 2, and then that would make this right here a 1 of 3, WXY 2 of 3, and I think we are in that wave 3 right now, and yeah, it's a little slow going right now, but I think it will continue to make those higher highs, higher lows, all part of this wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, trend is definitely still up. I believe it's a wave 3 on the higher time frame, so I am still primarily looking for longs on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, I had this structure level right here that if that broke that structure right there, I would have turned back into a seller. But it did go down, it did try to break structure, but as you can see, it rejected structure. Oftentimes when price rejects structure, it's actually a pretty good sign that it's probably just going to keep on going up. So yes, it did break structure, but because of how it broke structure, it's a rejection of structure. I definitely am still looking for longs on shorter time frames, just like I have been this whole time. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, like I said, it did break structure, but it rejected structure almost instantly. And actually, I would probably call this some sort of an ABC. It kind of looks like three waves down, but I would say this is very likely a A. I think this is very likely a wave B. I think this little push down that broke structure is a wave C. Now, in order to really believe this, price needs to go up and break the high of wave B. If it does that, then I think it will confirm the ABC correction and that it's back into the uptrend, and eventually it will just keep on trending up. Definitely a very slow market this week, and it was a very slow market last week also, but on Friday things really picked up, so maybe we'll get lucky and today things will really pick up also. I'm definitely still looking for longs unless price goes down and breaks and holds below this structure, which it definitely has not done yet, so I'm definitely still looking for longs at the end of pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.